Welcome to a fascinating journey into the microscopic world. Today, we're taking you under the microscope to reveal the hidden universe of microbes. These tiny organisms are everywhere on our skin, in the soil, and even in the air we breathe. Though invisible to the naked eye, microbes play a crucial role in our daily lives, from helping us digest food to recycling nutrients in nature. In this video, we'll showcase stunning close-up footage that brings these miniature marvels into sharp focus. Get ready to be amazed by the diversity, beauty, and complexity of life at the smallest scale. Let's dive right in. Microbes, also known as microorganisms, are living things so small that most can only be seen with a microscope. They include bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Despite their size, microbes are incredibly diverse and have adapted to survive in almost every environment on Earth. Some are helpful, while others can cause disease. In this scene, we'll explore the different types of microbes and their unique characteristics, setting the stage for the incredible close-up images you're about to see. Truly appreciate microbes, we need powerful microscopes. These amazing tools use lenses and light to magnify tiny objects thousands of times, revealing details we could never see otherwise. With modern technology, scientists can capture breathtaking images and videos of microbes in action. In this scene, we'll look at how magnification works and why it's essential for studying the microscopic world. You'll see how a simple drop of water can become a bustling metropolis when viewed under the lens. Bacteria are among the most abundant and diverse microbes on Earth. They come in many shapes, spheres, rods, and spirals, and can be found in every environment from deep oceans to our own bodies. Some bacteria help us by breaking down food or fixing nitrogen in the soil, while others can cause illness. Under the microscope, bacteria reveal intricate structures and fascinating behaviors, such as moving with tiny flagella or forming colonies. Let's take a closer look at these remarkable organisms. Viruses are even smaller than bacteria and can only reproduce by infecting living cells. They come in a variety of shapes, from simple spheres to complex structures that look like tiny spaceships. Despite their simplicity, viruses are incredibly effective at spreading and adapting. Under the microscope, their unique forms and invasion tactics become clear. In this scene, we'll explore how viruses operate and why they're both fascinating and formidable. Fungi are a diverse group of microbes that include yeasts, molds, and mushrooms. While some fungi are large enough to see, many are microscopic. Fungi play a vital role in breaking down dead material and recycling nutrients in ecosystems. Under the microscope, you can see their thread-like structures called hyphae, which form intricate networks. Some fungi even produce spores that float through the air, ready to colonize new environments. Let's zoom in on the fascinating world of fungi. Protozoa are single-celled organisms that often move and feed like tiny animals. They can be found in water, soil, and even inside other organisms. Some protozoa use hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella to swim, while others glide or crawl. Under the microscope, their movements are mesmerizing, and you can watch them hunt for food or evade predators. Protozoa are a vital part of many ecosystems, helping to control populations of bacteria and other microbes. Algae are simple, plant-like organisms that can be found in water and damp environments. Some are single-celled, while others form long chains or colonies. Algae use sunlight to make their own food through photosynthesis, producing much of the oxygen we breathe. Under the microscope, algae display a stunning array of shapes and colors, from green spirals to golden spheres. Their beauty and importance in the ecosystem make them a favorite subject for microscopic photography. One of the most captivating sights under the microscope is the movement of microbes. Some swim using flagella, others glide or tumble, and a few even change shape as they move. Watching these tiny organisms in action reveals a world full of energy and purpose. Their movements help them find food, escape danger, and interact with their environment. Let's watch as microbes dart, spin, and dance across the microscopic stage. A single drop of pond water can contain thousands of microbes. Under the microscope, this tiny world comes alive with activity: protozoa hunting, algae floating, and bacteria dividing. Each drop is like a miniature ecosystem with its own food chains and interactions. By examining water samples, scientists can learn about the health of aquatic environments and discover new species. Let's take a closer look at the bustling life inside a water droplet. Microbes form biofilms, complex communities that stick to surfaces like rocks, pipes, or teeth. In a biofilm, microbes work together, sharing resources and protecting each other from threats. Under the microscope, biofilms appear as slimy layers or clusters of cells. These structures can be beneficial, such as in wastewater treatment, or problematic, like dental plaque. Let's explore the fascinating architecture of microbial cities. Microbes have a huge impact on our health. Some cause diseases, but many are essential for our well-being. For example, beneficial bacteria in our gut help us digest food and fight off harmful invaders. Scientists use microscopes to study how microbes interact with our bodies, leading to new treatments and medicines. Understanding the balance of microbes is key to staying healthy. Let's see how these tiny organisms shape our lives. Did you know that microbes are essential for making many of our favorite foods? Bacteria and fungi help produce cheese, yogurt, bread, and even chocolate. These microbes ferment ingredients, creating unique flavors and textures. Under the microscope, you can see the tiny workers responsible for transforming milk into cheese or dough into bread. Let's discover the delicious side of microbes and their role in food production. Microbes are everywhere in the environment, from deep underground to the highest clouds. They help break down waste, recycle nutrients, and even clean up pollution. In soil, microbes support plant growth by fixing nitrogen and decomposing organic matter. In water, they help maintain balance in aquatic ecosystems. By studying microbes under the microscope, scientists gain insights into how nature works at the smallest level. Diversity of microbes is truly astounding. There are millions of different species, each adapted to its own niche. Some thrive in extreme heat or cold, while others live in acidic or salty environments. Under the microscope, this diversity is revealed in a dazzling array of shapes, colors, and behaviors. Studying microbial diversity helps us understand evolution and the resilience of life on Earth. Microbes aren't just important in nature, they're also used in technology. Scientists harness microbes to produce medicines, clean up oil spills, and even generate energy. By studying microbes under the microscope, researchers can engineer new strains with useful properties. Biotechnology is opening up exciting possibilities for using microbes to solve real-world problems. Let's see how these tiny organisms are making a big impact. Antibiotics are medicines that kill or stop the growth of bacteria. However, some bacteria have developed resistance, making infections harder to treat. Under the microscope, scientists can observe how bacteria respond to antibiotics and how resistance spreads. This ongoing battle between medicine and microbes is a major challenge in healthcare. Understanding it helps us develop better treatments and protect public health. The microbes, called extremophiles, thrive in places where most life can't survive: boiling hot springs, deep-sea vents, or acidic lakes. These remarkable organisms have adapted to extreme heat, pressure, or acidity. Studying extremophiles under the microscope reveals how life can persist in the harshest conditions, offering clues about the possibilities of life on other planets. Microbes aren't just solitary, they communicate with each other using chemical signals. This process, called quorum sensing, allows them to coordinate activities like forming biofilms or launching attacks. Under the microscope, scientists can observe how microbes respond to these signals and change their behavior. Understanding microbial communication helps us develop new ways to control infections and harness beneficial microbes. Microbes evolve rapidly, adapting to new environments and challenges. Their fast reproduction means that changes can happen in just a few generations. By watching microbes under the microscope, scientists can study evolution in real time, observing how traits spread through populations. This research helps us understand how life adapts and survives both in the past and today. Capturing microbes on camera is both a science and an art. Microphotography uses special microscopes and cameras to reveal the hidden beauty of the microscopic world. The resulting images can be colorful, abstract, and surprisingly artistic. In this scene, we'll showcase some of the most stunning microphotographs, highlighting the intricate patterns and vibrant colors that microbes display. While many microbes are harmless or even helpful, some can cause disease in humans, animals, and plants. Studying these pathogens under the microscope helps scientists understand how they infect hosts and spread. This knowledge is crucial for developing vaccines, medicines, and public health strategies. Let's take a closer look at the microbes behind some common diseases. Microbes aren't just found in water or soil, they're also floating in the air around us. Bacteria, viruses, and fungal spores can travel on dust particles or droplets. Under the microscope, scientists can identify airborne microbes and study how they spread. This research helps us understand allergies, disease transmission, and even weather patterns. Plants rely on microbes for growth and health. Beneficial bacteria and fungi help plants absorb nutrients, fight off pests, and withstand stress. Under the microscope, you can see the close relationship between plant roots and their microbial partners. This symbiosis is essential for agriculture and natural ecosystems. Let's explore how microbes support the green world around us. Animals, from insects to humans, depend on microbes for survival. Gut bacteria help digest food while other microbes protect against disease. Some animals even have special organs just for housing beneficial microbes. Under the microscope, these partnerships come to life, showing how interconnected all living things are. Let's see how microbes and animals work together. Microbes are nature's recyclers. They break down dead plants and animals, turning waste into nutrients that support new life. In compost piles, sewage treatment plants, and natural ecosystems, microbes work tirelessly to keep the cycle of life going. Under the microscope, you can watch them decompose organic matter, transforming it into valuable resources. Microbes play a surprising role in the Earth's climate. Some produce greenhouse gases while others help remove carbon from the atmosphere. By studying microbes under the microscope, scientists can learn how these tiny organisms influence global processes like carbon cycling and climate change. Their impact is far greater than their size suggests. How technology uses microbes to solve problems and create new products. From producing insulin to cleaning up oil spills, engineered microbes are at the forefront of innovation. Under the microscope, scientists can monitor how these modified organisms behave and ensure they're safe and effective. The future of biotechnology is closely tied to our understanding of the microbial world. As technology advances, our ability to study microbes continues to grow. New microscopes, genetic tools, and imaging techniques are revealing more about these tiny organisms every day. The future holds exciting possibilities, from discovering new species to developing life-saving medicines. By peering into the microscopic world, we're unlocking secrets that could change our lives. Our journey under the microscope has revealed a hidden world teeming with life. Microbes may be small, but their impact is enormous. From supporting ecosystems to shaping human health, these tiny organisms are essential to life on Earth. As we continue to explore and understand the microbial world, we gain new appreciation for the complexity and beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this microscopic adventure.